So it's Z-Fam Mama behind the camera. Has already got my shower for the day, night. So Anna from
A&K
is going to help me out.
So today for Advent, we are opening up the 19th. So close to Christmas.
Days away.
And what do we have here? But a miniature Sappy Minerals.
Which one?
It's the eyeliner. I have been wanting to try the eyeliner so bad, and I've missed it.
Can I see?
It's a little tiny, it's real black. Actually, I don't know what color it is. This is the Jet Setter, so it's a pretty dark one. But ever since we switched over from non-toxic makeup, I haven't had eyeliner. So this is very exciting. I can't wait to try it out.
Yeah, because this makeup. What do you like most about the Savvy makeup?
The lightness. I don't feel heavy. It doesn't give me breakouts. And I used more quantity of the makeup that we used to have. Now I use just the minimalist amount of powder. Like barely anything. So my makeup use has gone down because I don't use as much. And I noticed I'm rambling on.
Yeah, go ahead. My
face the next couple of days when I would just go natural looked better. Like usually when I would wear regular makeup, the next day you look in the mirror, you're like, oh, maybe I should keep going. Because sometimes you just don't want to wear anything. But after Savvy, the next day I look in the mirror, I'm like, oh, well, hello, gorgeous.
So you feel like Savvy gives you more of a natural look then?
Mm-hmm. It helps enhance your natural look. And you can have a lot of fun with it. Like do, everything. This is a great Advent day.
Yay, Merry
I love the 19th.
Christmas. That's
Merry
awesome.
Christmas. Check back for the 20th.